In this video, I'm going to show you how to transpose multiple columns into one column. Let's open a document. This is a multi-column table that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to put all this data into one column. To do that, click anywhere in the data table. In the title bar, click on Data. In the menu bar, click on From Table or Range. You can see that my data table has been automatically selected. In the Create Table menu, click on OK. This will open a query window. Let's maximize the window for better viewing. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+A. This will select all of the data from this table. In the title bar, click on Transform. In the menu bar, click on Unpivot Column. In the drop-down menu, click on Unpivot Columns again. This will transform your data into one single column. Click on the Attribute column head. This will select only the Attribute column. In the title bar, click on Home. In the menu bar, click on Remove Column. Now you have only one column that contains your data. In the menu bar, click on Close and Load. From the drop-down menu, click on Close and Load To. In the Import Data menu, click on Existing Worksheet. Select a cell where you want to paste your data. Click on OK. Here you can see that my data is now in a single column. If you need to sort your data alphabetically, click on the bottom right corner of the Value cell. Click on A to Z. Here your data is now sorted alphabetically.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.